Hello and welcome to your how-to in the student application. First step into getting access to your courses, you're going to be resetting your password by clicking on the Reset Password link right below the red login button. Your step here will be to enter your student ID number into the box and then click Reset Request. You'll get a pop-up that reads, in 30 minutes you'll receive an email with the password reset link included. This message will come from noreply@k12.com, and it will go to your student email address that we have on file with Keystone. If you do not receive an email, please wait at least the 30 minutes and check your spam folder. You can also add noreply@k12.com to your address book. Then you click here to reset your password, and you'll get that email again within 30 minutes. Again, the email that you're going to get is coming from noreply@k12.com. So please make sure that you check your spam or junk folder just in case that email has gone to that inbox. And do make sure that you wait at least 15 minutes just as the message says. You may not get an email right away. It may take several minutes for it to get to you. If you do not receive an email within 15 minutes, please contact our student support representatives at 1-800-255-4937. But when you do get the email, please click to reset your password, and when you do, you will be brought to this page where you can reset your password. Your new password should have all of the requirements that are seen on this screen, and when you're ready, you click the Set button, and you will be redirected to the student login application. When you are ready to log in, with your new password that you did reset, you're going to insert your student ID into the top section and the password that you chose into the bottom section. Now that you are logged into your student application, there are a couple things that we would like to show you before you really dig in. So in your student application, there are going to be a couple things that I'm going to go over here before we get into looking at your courses. So up at the top right-hand corner, you'll see a couple buttons you can click on. The first one is a conference sign-up. If you click on this button, you'll come to a page that will let you sign up for a time to speak with different departments within Keystone. The next button over is the number to call for our student support representatives. If you click on this, it'll open a link application to whatever phone application is on your computer, and you can contact student support straight from there. They are available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. And last, if you click on your name, you'll get a drop-down menu, which has a couple different options that you can click on. You can change the font size, change the color, you can give feedback to the application, you can also sign out from here. On the right-hand side, you'll also have a tips and tricks section. So if you have any questions on how this application works or any details, check this section and you might be able to find your answer there. Underneath the Keystone announcement section, you'll have your courses. This will list every single course that you are currently enrolled in and every course that you have ever been enrolled in with Keystone. If you are a new student, you'll only show the courses that you're currently enrolled in. It will not show any courses that you have taken at other institutions. But the information shown here is that it'll show you the course title, in which if you click on the course title, this will log you into your class. If you are taking classes in different formats, say if you're taking an online course and print courses with us, it will automatically log you into each platform without you having to sign in under different usernames and passwords. So if we click on the Bio with Lab course, it'll automatically log us into the print application. And again, it will open in a new tab, so you can quickly go back to the student application if you need to. The next section is View Teacher Info. So if you need to email your teacher or ask any questions, you can do so straight from the application here. This will show you the contact information, so you can click on the email address and it will open the email client on your device. And you can send a message to them directly from the application. The teacher will then redirect your question to the Keystone Teacher Link, so you can expect a response from the Keystone Teacher Link to your question. Next, the information shown is the course status, whether you have active or inactive courses, the enrollment date, the due date of your class, the grade average, percent complete, last assessment graded, and if you've completed any courses, it'll show the completion date, and if you have a withdrawal from any courses, it'll show the withdrawal date. Now, under the grade average, this will show you the grade book for each class. So if you click on a percentage, so the grades page will break down all of the assignments that you had to complete within the course. Up top in green, you have your current grade that you have in the course. In the middle, you have not submitted, not yet graded assessments. And then it will show you the number of assessments that you have not yet completed in the course. And then on the very far right, it'll show you the total assessment count. Underneath your courses, we have your profile. This has all the information that you have on file with Keystone. You are able to change your email address and your phone number if it ever does change. If you need to change any other information, like if you need to correct a date of birth, change of name, address, you do need to call into our Student Services Department to do so. Under your profile, you have different links pertaining to the level of schooling that you're in. You may click on each one of these to find out more information about what is shown. Underneath school links, you have student resource links, which gives you information on joining our social media, getting started information, clubs, our student handbook, the writing guide, and our Live While Learning collective. After you complete your work for the day, you're going to want to log out of your account, and all you have to do is click on your name at the top right-hand corner and click Sign Out. And that is your how-to on the Keystone Student app.